they have these jugs, or the buckets, brother. Now, friends of mine, I was there with them, they told me, no one survives this bucket. Like the one guy, the year before, it got the better of him, and I'm like...
One bucket. Okay.
I'm like, ek wys vir julle. Ek sal vir julle wys.
See, you were trying to be too braaf, bro.
Took the one bucket, and I'm like, okay, they all still busy with their bucket, and I'm like, bring vir papa nog een. Took the second bucket, and one of the girls, she didn't finish her, so she had like half a bucket left. And I'm like, klap on papa, 2.5 buckets. When I stood up there,
Yeah.
on 'n planeet.
That's when it
Nee,
catches
aan 'n
you.
planeet.
Dude, you drank buckets like people eat edibles.
Som, ek was Star Wars gesyp. Ek het gelyk soos Jabba the Hutt.
Yeah.
Net so.
Ja.
Gelyk soos Jabba en gepraat soos Chewbacca. Nee, ek was fucked. Ek was regtig, ek was aan 'n planeet.
Yeah.
No, I didn't make it.